SpaceX, short for Space Exploration Technologies Corp., is an American aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company founded by entrepreneur Elon Musk in 2002. The company's overarching goal is to revolutionize space technology and enable the colonization of Mars. SpaceX has achieved significant milestones in the commercial space industry and has played a crucial role in advancing space exploration and reducing the cost of space travel. One of SpaceX's key achievements is the development of the Falcon 1, Falcon 9, and Falcon Heavy launch vehicles. These rockets are designed to deliver payloads into space and have been used to launch satellites, resupply the International Space Station, ISS, and deploy various spacecraft. The Falcon 9, in particular, has gained prominence for its reusable first stage, which can land back on Earth after launch and be refurbished for future missions. This reusable technology has significantly reduced the cost of space launches. Another significant achievement for SpaceX is the Dragon spacecraft. Initially developed to transport cargo to and from the ISS, the Dragon spacecraft successfully became the first commercial spacecraft to dock with the ISS in 2012. It has since been used for numerous missions under NASA's Commercial Resupply Services (CRS) contract. SpaceX has also developed an upgraded version called Dragon 2, capable of carrying crew members and certified by NASA for human spaceflight. SpaceX has made significant progress in developing the Starship spacecraft in recent years. Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft designed to carry humans and cargo to destinations beyond Earth, including the Moon, Mars, and potentially other planets in the future. It is intended to be the primary spacecraft for SpaceX's ambitious goal of establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars. The development of Starship has involved rapid prototyping and testing, with several high-altitude test flights conducted to refine its design and capabilities. Additionally, SpaceX has launched the Starlink satellite constellation, which aims to provide global broadband internet coverage. The constellation consists of thousands of small satellites deployed in low Earth orbit, LEO. This project has the potential to bridge the digital divide by bringing affordable internet access to underserved areas of the world. The Starlink network is designed to offer high-speed, low-latency internet connectivity to users anywhere in the world, particularly in areas with limited or no existing internet infrastructure. The constellation is named after SpaceX's Starlink satellites, roughly the size of a table and weighing about 260 kilograms, 570 pounds, each. These satellites are manufactured in-house by SpaceX and are launched in batches using the company's Falcon 9 rockets. The primary advantage of Starlink is its global coverage and potential to bridge the digital divide. Traditional internet infrastructure relies on a network of ground-based infrastructure, such as fiber optic cables or cell towers, which can be challenging to deploy in remote or underserved areas. Starlink's satellite constellation, on the other hand, allows for connectivity in even the world's most remote regions, enabling people in rural or isolated communities to access high-speed internet. The long-term vision for Starlink goes beyond global internet coverage. The revenue generated from Starlink is expected to support SpaceX's ambitious plans for space exploration, including funding the development of technologies for future missions to Mars. SpaceX's last launch of the first half of 2023 occurred Friday, June 23, carrying 56 Starlink version 1.5 satellites. Liftoff was from Space Launch Complex 40, SLC-40, at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. The mission, Starlink Group 5-12, marked the 44th mission of the year for the company and wrapped up a record-breaking first half of the year. Over 50 missions are on tap for the second half of the year, which would put the company close to its goal of 100 launches in 2023. The mission also broke the turnaround time for launches from SLC-40, a record SpaceX has broken several times in the last year. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of technology nowadays. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you get all the updates. Thanks for watching.